Okay, how's it going, guys? I'm gonna do a quick one today to help explain to you your home's drainage or weeping system, as it's commonly referred to. A lot of times when we talk about these things in older homes that don't have weeping systems or that have damaged or deteriorated weeping systems, people don't always know what we're talking about. So I'm gonna really quickly just show you. This is a new build, and I'm down in the excavated portion of a foundation wall before it gets backfilled. And what you can see is we've got our drainage wrap here that goes up against the foundation. This is just meant to keep wet clay off. It's not actually a total form of waterproofing. A lot of people think that this is actually meant to keep the water out. It's meant to keep give the water a drainage plane in behind this dimple shield, and there's actually tar in behind that that's more of a waterproofing. And then down here you see we have aggregate stone that's covering up a weeper or Big O. So this is what our Big O looks like. It's a perforated, basically plastic tube. This is 4 inches, and it's got a sock on it so that you can see it's meant to keep out dirt and small pieces of stone from filling it up. So this is one that's going down from a window, and there will be a window well there, and this is going to provide a path of least resistance for this water down to the rest of the weeper. Now there's stone. You can see this stone all the way along. It's going to end up getting shoveled up against the edge of the wall. But where you see the footing, this is your footing. So right here, we've got the foundation wall, the footing's underneath it, and all the way along this footing, the whole way around the house, is more of this. It's buried now, it's under that stone, but you basically have a 4-inch piece of Big O going the entire way around the perimeter of the house, and it all connects inside underneath the basement slab, and that is helping take water to your sump pump or just out to your drainage to the street, and it's keeping it so that your all the way around the perimeter of your house is staying dry. So it's providing a path of least resistance for water to run in under your slab, and then to, whether you're a gravity drain or a sump pump inside your house, to get it out to the street. Okay guys, that was a real quick one on your home's drainage system or weeping system, and hopefully that was helpful. Talk to you guys soon.